Now you can import data with SumiLabel, and when it changes, refresh it with a click. This video assumes you're already familiar with SumiLabel. If not, we recommend that you view our Intro to SumiLabel video. Open or create a set file, then click the button for the Data Import Wizard. The Data Import Wizard is a powerful tool that brings data into SumiLabel from other sources, like Microsoft Excel and text files. First, consider the type of connection to the file that you want. You can choose to establish either an automatic or a manual connection. Automatic will remember the connection so you can update the data as desired, while manual is for a one-time importation of data. Select your data source type, and then use the button beside the path field to open a file browser, where you can navigate to the file you wish to use. If your data is organized in such a way that you know the first row contains columns, go ahead and check the box. Otherwise, leave it unchecked. Then click Open Data Source to proceed. Select the table name, and if necessary, specify the delimiter. Use the subsection titled Link Data Source Fields to Design Template Elements to define where the data should be placed on the marker. The Select Element drop-down menu can be used to tie a given line of text to a particular column of data. Use the Preview Front section to verify your work, and then click OK when you're finished. Double-check the imported markers. You should now be ready to print or make final changes. If the source data should change, click the Refresh Data button below the Data Import Wizard button to refresh the markers with the updated data. Use the wizard to import data from Access, Excel, text files, and SQL Server files.